Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In the video we discuss about the flat belt numerical number 6. Okay, now the question is, a flat leather belt drive has to transmit a power from 960 rpm motor 320 rpm line shaft, which requires 1250. Okay, it's a 1250 newton meter average torque if the diameter of large pulley is 1000 mm and the center distance is 5 meter. Design a suitable belt drive. What will be the maximum capacity of this belt and what velocity? Okay, now the answer is, means how to solve this numerical is very easy. Okay, first here it is a electric motor and it is a driver shaft and it is driven shaft. Okay, means driver pulley and driven pulley line like that, and center distance is 5 meter. It's already given in the numerical here. 960 rpm is a driver shaft given here, and n2 is driven shaft 320 rpm. Diameter of d2 is 1000 mm. Here is given diameter of larger pulley. Here it is a larger pulley. The 1000 mm is given of diameter d2. Now design power. Power required P out equal to by line shaft P out 2 pi nt divided by 60. We first find out the P out. P out is equal to 2 pi multiplied by 320 multiplied by 1250 divided by 60. P out equal to 41.88 into 10 raised to the power 3 watt, and it's convert to the kilowatt, and means 10 raised to the power 3 cancel in the kilowatt. Now what is some standard efficiency? The flat belt efficiency must be 85%, V build efficiency equal to 90%, efficiency of the chain is 95%, and efficiency of the gear is 80%. It is a general information for you guys. It will help for you to design the flat belt, V belt, chain and gear. Okay, now the power required by motor, PR equal to P out divided by flat belt 41.88 0.85, PR equal to 49.27 kilowatt. Design power equal to PD. This formula is given in the page number 155 BD Shivalkar data book. PR multiplied by KL by K theta. We always assume the KL value and the K theta. The value is 1.10 and 1. Okay, now the design power is 54.197 kilowatt. Again we are here KL and K theta. We always assume KL is equal to 1.15 and K theta is equal to 1.0. Okay, for electric motor drivers and line shaft and driver, for K theta is equal to for 0 inclination. Okay, 0 inclination, so that time KL is equal to 0 inclination. It is given in the page number 156 BD Shivalkar data book. Okay, now the second step, to find the diameter of smaller pulley. Here slip is equal to, we always assume the slip is equal to xi 2% in page number 156 BD Shivalkar. Okay, so xi is equal to 0.02. I told you, remember this formula is equal to V driven equal to 1 minus theta is equal to V driver, and when we put the value, V driven is equal to pi by d2 n2. We know the value of d2 n2. It is already given in the problem. Okay, it is given in the problem, so we just put the value and now get the answer. So we find the d1, pi get cancelled. Okay, pi value is same, is equal to 22 by 7. Pi value same, that's why here this pi and this pi get cancelled. Okay, now the d1 is equal to 340 mm. Now check the velocity of belt Vp. Vp is equal to pi d1 n1. Vp equal to pi 0.340 is in meter. Okay, d1 now is in meter, 0.340, and multiply by 960 rpm. Now the velocity of belt is equal to 1025.4 meter per minute. As some note here, as Vp is given, the range Vp is 900 to 1200, okay, belt is running safe under the peripheral velocity. Vp is equal to 1025.4 divided by 60, because it is in meter. 10254, it is in meter per minute. To convert this meter per minute, okay, to convert this we get meter per second. We want a meter per second, that's why we divide by 60. Okay, now the point number 3, to find the angle of lap, this formula is given in BD curve, page number 155. Pi theta 1 equal to pi minus d2 minus d1, and you just put the value in theta 1 and theta 2. This formula is given into BD curve data book, and just you put the value and get this answer. Okay, 3.009 and 3.273. Okay, now fourth step, step number 4, to find coefficient of friction, and this given in the page number 157. Assume pulley's material is cast iron belt material is given in as leather. Okay, new 1 and new 2 is equal to 0.35. Now the step number 5, to find the belt tension ratio, page number in 155. F1 and F2 equal to new 1 theta 1. This formula, belt tension ratio formula, given in the page number 155. Okay, don't remember this formula, just remember the steps. If you watch the earlier video design procedure, you will clear the what is the exact procedure to find out the flat belt, okay, flat belt tension ratio. As the flat belt tension ratio is lower for a smaller pulley, chance of chance of slip more on a smaller pulley. Hence, the smaller pulley governs the design. Now, the step number 6, belt tension. Belt tension. Okay, just go to the page number 155. F1 minus F2 PD minus VP, just put the value and get the answer is F2 and F1. Okay, they are all in newtons. Now the step number 7, belt cross section 155. B multiplied by T F1 SD minus SCF. SD is equal to design stress, SD is equal to allowable stress. Always assume the oak tan leather belt, and always assume the allowable stress 2 to 3 megapascal, 2 to 3 MPa. Assume 2.5 MPa, 2 to 3 mega. Between this range, you just assume the 2.5 MPa. Between this range, okay, you just assume this value 2.5, or otherwise you use the 2 or 3, but you use the 2.5 MPa. Assume joint is cemented at the site, page number 158. End joint is equal to 0.98. 2.5 multiplied by 0.98 equal to 2.45 MPa. Now the HCF is centrifugal stress. HCF is rho Vp square multiplied by 10 to the power 6. This is already formula is given, okay, in the BD Shivulkar data book. You just put this value, okay, put the value in the what is the rho, Sg and 1000. Sg specific gravity 0.97, it is given, okay, and it is 1000 multiplied by 1000 for kg. For density's unit is kg per meter cube. That's why we convert this into 1000, that's why we multiply by the 1000, and the complete value is 9 point density is 970 kg per meter cube. Now put the rho's value here. Rho, we know the Vp value, we know the rho's value, multiply by 10 to the power 6, and the HCF is 0.283 MPa. Now the step number 8, initial tension. Initial tension, page number 155. To Fi equal to under root Fi plus under root F2. Just put the value and get this answer, 3077.23. Okay, you know that what is the value of Fi and F2, initial force and final force. Assume stress due to the initial tension SI is equal to 1.5 MPa in the page number 150, page number 157. Now the stress is equal to, everybody knows the formula of stress, force upon area. Simple, force Fi multiply by B into T. B into T means area like this. Here it is a B and here T, B into T, an area. Now just put the value and get the answer. It is a very easy topic. You just put the value and get the answer. Select larger value of B into T is from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. B into T is 2246 mm square. Now the final step of the problem is, not the final, second 9 number step is belt tension and belt thickness and width. Sorry for that, not as a tension, it is a thickness, belt thickness and width. T equal to 0.02 d to d1 multiple in page number 157. T is equal to 0.02 multiplied by 340. Thickness is equal to 6.8 mm. Standard thickness available is 8 mm and standard thickness T is equal to 8 mm. Standard thickness, you get confused what is the standard thickness. You just got this answer 6.8. Go to the page number 158 and just look what is this special means what is the standard thickness available in the page number 158, and you will find the 8 mm is given. So medium duty double fly belt is selected. Now medium duty double fly belt is selected. Okay, now belt width B is equal to B multiplied by T standard thickness. Put the standard thickness and B into T area. So what is the value? 2246 divided by 8. It is not a 224, it is a 2246 divided by 8. And the last formula, L is equal to pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2c plus d2 minus d1 square divided by 4c. Just put the value and just tell me the what is the length in the comment box. Okay, thank you.